unbox the all-new OnePlus 6T. This is a box which I recently got from Amazon. So let's unlock the speed. The cutting tool which is going to be used. The OnePlus community has started giving some kind of a slogans. Whoa! So this is OnePlus 6T with finger on screen, fingerprint on screen. It looks so beautiful. How should I get it out? Oh, it's fixed. How it will come out? It's almost stuck. Nice packaging. Okay, let's see the accessories first. Here you get the dash charger and the data cable and this C-type to 3.5mm jack adapter, and this is the charging adapter. This is a fast charger, and there is a fingerprint sensor here in the display. Here you get the cover, which is really nice. And some documentations. Oh, here you get the SIM ejector tool. This is OnePlus 6T. Looks so beautiful. The color is so amazing. The size is a little bit bigger compared to OnePlus 6. Let's turn this on. This is booting for the first time. So I guess the speed is unlocked now. I'll do the rest and get back to you. So I've done with the setup now, and I wanted to show you. You also get this. You can just unlock the speed, and OnePlus never settle. And here is the so I've set up my fingerprint in this. So let's just double tap, and it's done. Let's try this again. This is very fast. Done. Wow. So here's the OnePlus 6T, and that's how you get. These are the accessories and the cover, and this is the box. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.